رسیدیم دخوفکای دیگه ده شرکی بگیریم بسم الله قدم ادرویم خونه مردک ایو
I'll be better when you're finished. Straight
Why
into
not?
your left.
All right. Okay.
We used it Friday night. It worked fine in the oven.
Yep.
And then Saturday morning to make some biscuits and not heat up quickly. It was 1 degree at a time. We had a guy come in yesterday, pulled the door off. Wrong. So he said you gotta call a GE repair person.
Okay.
And you're the repair person. So do you need me for anything?
No, thank you. Так. Лукада демекшим. Хали духовкаша олинантаги будем. Жигарнай старқаш чимо да окшуда мегирим. Okay. Okay. Bismillah kada мебруремаш. Так там еще один шуруп. Так. Открыли мы тут, значит, кафуша. Игнайтера лишь мекнем. Чиз мекнем. Мебели. Кормекна намек. Мирмигнайт. Мегрем игнра. Сейчас вот такой зубой. Коркна. Че? Бисмилlah мекнем. Бисмиллахиррахманиррахим. Кимеги. Хамашки кормекна. Альхамдулиллах. All right. Yeah. Igniter.
Was igniter?
Yeah. I don't know how he checked the igniter, but right now I replace it. Even that he's showing like more than 3,000 ohms, it not mean that it could be work. He just have to be like a 60 ohms. Maybe he just don't understand.
I don't know. He just once he opened it up. So did you have to put it in igniter?
Yes. Come on.
You get it all back together. Just leave it out like it is. And we'll clean up.
Okay. Let me put it
All I
everything.
gotta do is just push it back in.
Okay.
Good deal.
Thank you. We're gonna shoot it back home. Zip just ne bafikram. Jada kor kazdam khudo bashkar. Ya dukhofka digaram na sos kadam. Şurupu zade istem. Şurup. Tamam. Jaşı. Nechurun na jankne. Şusraki ve kori digaridan der kadam.
What do they mean by postal?
Zip code. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Enjoy your oven. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye. Bye. If something, you have my numbers.
Yeah.
Yes, perfect. Thank you. Alhamdulillah. Ay Corina. $4 kor kadam.